My name is Parthiv Prashant and I'm from GIS East Coast campus. I have been with GIS East Coast since 2013 when I was in kindergarten. Topping the 2025 Grade 10 CBSE exams has definitely been the happiest moment in my academic journey. I can't explain with words the emotions I felt when I saw my results for the first time, but I know that all the hard work and dedication had truly paid off. It's actually an interesting story, at least to myself. Honestly, if someone told me in 8th grade that in 2 years I was going to be the CBSE topper, I would have probably laughed at them. I was not of the studious kind, and my marks in 8th grade were just average. That's when I started taking my studies a little bit more seriously. In 9th grade, I managed to get the 3rd position in my class, and I also managed to top English and French. I realized then that things are serious now and I have to keep this momentum up. In my mind, I was thinking I needed the stars to align and I had to make the biggest effort and deliver one last time. And I did. 96.7% in the Grade 10 CBSE board exams was the result of my hard work. My journey at East Coast campus from kindergarten to Grade 10 has been a truly memorable and interesting experience. I started as a curious young learner, and over the many years, I've grown academically, socially, and emotionally. I still remember the moment I received my first ever Global School Award. It's a moment I'll never forget. Receiving that award in front of a crowd after putting in so much effort throughout the academic year made the entire ceremony incredibly special and rewarding. Another unforgettable memory is the investiture ceremony in 2023. Honestly, it still feels like yesterday when I walked on the stage and was badged as the Hibiscus House captain. That moment meant the world to me. Reaching that milestone was a proud and emotional moment that I'll always cherish. And then there's the Axis Under-14 cricket match between GIS East Coast and GIIS Punggol, an absolute thriller held right here on our campus. We were on the verge of losing, defending a low total, but suddenly, by some miracle, we took key wickets at the right time and clinched victory. It was one of the most exciting games of cricket I've ever played, and to this day, my teammates and I still talk about it. It truly was one of the best matches ever played at our school. I wanted to deliver results and help my team in any way, and Munish sir helped me develop my skills as a wicketkeeper batsman. Ever since my younger years, photography is a hobby I've loved. Be it taking candid photos of my friends, family, or teachers, it's always a hobby for me. And I've always been complimented about my photography skills. And when I learned that GIS offers photography as a CCA option, I just took the opportunity. And I learned a lot of things, such as how to focus an image, how to change the brightness, and it's just a good opportunity to learn about what I love at my school. Grade 11 is next, and it feels like a fresh chapter to me. After 10 years of CBSE, I'm starting IBDP soon. It's a new curriculum to me and many things will take time getting adjusted to, but I'm more than prepared to embrace it. My main goal is to keep learning, not just to score marks, but to actually grow as a person. I want to stay curious, manage my time well, and keep a balance between academics and life outside studies. I know the journey ahead will be challenging, but I'm ready for it. In 2 years, I want to achieve a great result from my grade 12 and pursue higher studies at a reputed institution. My journey at GIS East Coast campus over the last 13 years has definitely been a roller coaster, but I can confidently say that it will forever remain my second home.